to Attendance Keeper, the simple, secure way to manage your team's attendance. Step 1. Create account. Visit attendancekeeper.net and click Sign Up. Enter your details, create a strong password, agree to the terms, and click Register to get started. Step 2. Email verification. Check your email for a verification code. Paste it into the verification page and click Verify to activate your account. Step 3. Login account. Once verified, go back to the login page, enter your email and password, and sign into your new account. Step 4. Account setup. After logging in, the Setup Wizard helps you configure your company. Add departments, designations, leave types, and schedule templates to match your organization's structure. Step 5. Add employee to the Employees section and click Add Employee. Fill out their information, upload a clear selfie for face recognition, and assign a schedule template. Each employee receives a temporary access code by email. They'll log in using that code, reset their password, and their profile will be verified automatically. Step 6. Mobile app. Clock in and out. Download the Attendance Keeper app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your verified credentials. To start work, tap Clock In. Face recognition will capture your entry. Use break or clock out as needed, all synced instantly with your company records. Step 7. Desktop app. Permissions and requests. Download the desktop version from attendancekeeper.net. Enter your branch code and log in. From here, you can manage requests, review permissions, and monitor employee activity right from your desktop. Step 8. Desktop app. Clock in and out. Employees can also clock in and out directly through the desktop app using face recognition. This ensures accurate and secure attendance tracking across all devices. Stay compliant with UK requirements using our plans starting at £9.99 per month. Enjoy a 30-day free trial for unlimited employees and experience how Attendance Keeper simplifies HR compliance.